This 2023 Holiday Rambler Nautica 33TL is a Class A RV. It is located in St. Augustine, FL 32086 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV St. Augustine. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Holiday Rambler is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, slide-out, and 96 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2023 Holiday Rambler Nautica 33TL is built on a Freightliner XCR chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.